it's Nisha. So today we're doing another 5-minute eyes. I didn't bring anything to clip my hair back. So first thing I'm going to use is the Charlotte Tilbury Mesmerise in Eyes to Mesmerise in Jean. This is Blank Canvas Cosmetics brush E01, and I'm just going to put it on my mobile lid and a bit in the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a Makeup Geek Bake Sale, and on a MAC 217 I'm going to put it in my crease, or just above my crease, and blend it upwards. You know the drill. So dip your brush, put in your crease, and without adding any more eyeshadow, just blend it upwards. Now from a deck of Scarlet, I'm going to take this eyeshadow, which is called Lupe, I don't know, it will be all listed in a description box. And on an Identify brush, I'm going to press it over that Charlotte Tilbury. That gives me a bit more of a metallic look. I don't put so much in my inner corner, just fade it out to the inner corner. Now with Makeup Geek Coco Bear, I'm going to take Black Canvas Cosmetics E42, and with the pointy bit I'm going to deepen up my crease and blend it upwards just a bit, not as high as I did the Bake Sale. You can sort of blend it out here. I'm not making any sevens today. These colors work really nice on blue eyes. It will make your blue eyes pop. Blue or hazel or green, I am not sure. I think they would look nice on brown eyes, but maybe instead of that eyeshadow, if you added more of a gold one, that would look really good. Now I'm going to go again back to MAC 217, dip it ever so slightly to Bake Sale, and just blend it all quite high up. Now with Morphe M507, I'm going to go into Coco Bear and go right under my lower lash line. Now with Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Eyeliner, I've got the one with the brown coal. I'm just going to halfway scrub it into my eyelashes and slightly wing it. Then I'm going to put it just on the outer corner and connect it. And now mascara. You just use your favorite mascara. I am still using KIKO Ultra-tech. This mascara has been discontinued, but I had few backups, and even when it's finished I'm gonna use the brush from it because I absolutely love this brush. So sorry I'm using this mascara, but this has been my favorite for a few years, and they went and discontinued it. Well, they've got Ultra-tech, but its new formula, new brush looks nothing like it. For my lips today, I'm going to use Milani Easy Liner for lips in Most Natural. I really like this color. And I thought with this look, the Makeup Geek foiled lip gloss in VIP would look really nice. I hope she's still selling those. It's gorgeous. This is not a matte lipstick. This is more like a between gloss and lipstick, and it's got great color payoff, and as you can see, it's very metallic. It's not sticky, it's very creamy. So that is the finished look. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.